Welcome to this short video of the Buzz Selfcare Portal. In this video I'll give you a short insight into user accounts, hunt groups, follow me call routing and call details. The Buzz technical team program the initial setup of your system, and then the configuration is then available for you to make changes to how calls are handled and administer user accounts. So when you log in, this is the first screen that you'll see, and to get to the configuration details we just need to click on the IP Centrex tab. Here we'll see details of phone lines, extensions, call recording, hunt groups and even the music on hold track. If we start off by looking at phone lines, this isn't the traditional copper wire that comes into the building. These are the telephone numbers associated with your account and the user accounts within that, all denoted by the 444 number. On the right here we'll see whether voicemail is active, whether we have a tick or not, and whether forwarding to mobile is also active, again depending on the user license you've selected to start with. So to have a look at call forwarding while we're at this option, we'll just click on the spanner next to that user account, which will then load up the account information, and then we'll simply click on again on the IP Centrex tab, and again we have different options within the account here, but we'll look at call forwarding, and this gives us that we have forwarding active when the number is called and the call is not answered within 30 seconds. After that, the call forwards to Fred, our colleague, and if he doesn't answer it within 15 seconds it then goes to Jane. Now again we can easily change this to our mobile number, for instance, if we didn't want it routing to a colleague, and if we didn't answer our phone number it would just simply divert out to our mobile. We could also divert it off to another license, so that might be for our mobile phone apps that we can provide, or a home twinned phone. So we'll click back just to go up a level, and then come out of that option. We'll be back on our phone lines tab. Next we'll look at extensions. So every user can have a 3-digit extension number depending on your preference. To configure it we just edit through here, and we can also change the username as you want to, so if you need to make a change etc you can. Once we have extensions configured, we can then configure a hunt group. Now we only have one hunt group within here, and by changing that we just click on there and just to change the details, but this gives it a 3-digit code number that people can ring. So for example, internal users can dial 108 to reach the sales team, and they will talk to any of these users that we've chosen to be in that hunt group. The sequence here, we can have several choices. We can either be in the order as listed, so first one being Alison, second being James, third Debbie. It could be completely random and the system decides who gets the call. Simultaneous, where all phones ring at the same time, or least used, so that the person who's been on the phone the least gets the next call. Cancel out of that option. Again, if we want to choose who is in the hunt group, just click on the spanner there and we just select or deselect as we wish, and we can also change the hunt sequence at this level as well. So if we come up back out of that option, back to our main tab, that gives us a very brief look at user accounts and our hunt groups, extension numbers and follow me routing. We can pick out basic call information from within here as well, although we do have a separate reporting module by going onto the billing tab and then simply picking transactions. This will show us all of the calls under the system, and if call recording was active we'd also be able to click the play button to be able to listen to that call record. Now we can download this into Excel, where you can fully interrogate the data from there as to however you wish to use it. And that completes our very brief look at the Customer Self-Care Portal. If you have any questions, please do give us a call on 0800 037 5555 or visit our website www.buzzconnect.co.uk. Thanks for your time.